This is one way to draw a spirograph using squares. The point of rotation of the square is not one of the corners of the square, so that the spirograph will be more interesting. Now in this case, yes, I again import a turtle of Python, and then I want the background color to contrast very well against the image. I want it to be light colors like light yellow here. Now I want the turtle to be hidden while it is generating the image. I want the speed of generating the image a moderate 5 and the pen size to be a moderate 4. Now in this loop here, I'm going to draw 18 squares. Okay. Now before I draw a square, I make sure that the turtle go to the center of the screen, the 0, 0 first. Now I want the square to be centered on a point that is 150 units from the center of the screen. And then, okay, and then why did I put pen up here and then pen down here? Because I don't want to see the I don't want to see the line from 0, 0 to the point at the end of the line, which is 150 units in length. I only want to see the square drawn. Okay, and then once I have already defined the point of rotation of the square, I apply here the color red for the first side, and then I start drawing the square. In this case, I want the square side to be oriented 20 degrees to the left of the radiating line here. Okay, for the first side there it is red, and then I make it side length 50, and then for the third, for the second, the third, and the fourth sides here, I want them to be colored green, blue, orange. Now after drawing these three sides here, the second, the third, and the fourth lines here, I go back to the first line, which is red. Note that the first line is colored red here, and then I draw it so that we become so that there is a square that is generated there. Now after generating this square here, I go back to the top here, and then I make sure that when I go to the center of the screen, the pen is up so we don't generate any unwanted lines. Okay. And then we repeat the procedure here, exactly the same procedure. So we're going to draw the second square, which is oriented 20 degrees, and then we draw the square. The first side is red, the second side is green, blue, orange, and then we go back to the first side, which is red. We have completed the square. Here is how the image generated.